내게는 너를 보고 있자면 코미디가 따로 없어. 이제 너의 잘난 척이 너무 괴로웠어. 귀를 막고 더는 못듣겠어. 언제나 너의 잘난 Hey, 크게 착각하고 있어. 네 생각엔 왕자, 내 생각엔 왕자. 보면 있는 놈이 없는.
The ocean give us some ingredients just don't need to be cooked. They need to treat it differently. Today I'm transforming the Swedish scallop into delicate crudo. Now, for this dish, the hero is the Hokkaido scallops, famous for the natural sweetness, creamy texture, and clean ocean flavor. Because of the scallops is so delicate, every element need to be supported. Acidity, freshness, texture. So now we slice the scallops, very thin slice. Now I'm just transferring the scallop to the plate. So now this is the grapefruit dressing. I'm just a little bit drizzle on top the scallops. Then I will leave it on the dressing for at least 2 to 3 minutes to infuse. Now we have the thin sliced radish here. Just slightly seasoning them with sea salt, pepper, and in here I have pickled shallot, I have jalapeno, 2 colors in here. And then I will take the brine just to drizzle on top the radish. So now we start to put the scallops on the plate. Radish. Yellow radish. Mandarin. Grapefruit. A lime zest. So now we see the final dish is Hokkaido scallops, mandarin, pickled chili, pickled radish, and pickled onion. Finish it with lemon zest and lime zest. If you enjoy the creation, subscribe to Culinary Museum. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell.